It says I. So she is up to something, but what? Let's read. I bake. The word in green is the special word in this story. I. Say it. I pour. I pour. I mix. I mix. I need help. I need help. Let me help, says Dad. Let me help, says Dad. I wait. I wait. I eat the cake. I eat the cake. Yummy. Yummy. Now it's your turn to try. I will turn the pages and be quiet, look at the words and read. Give it a try. When you see the purple flower bounce, it's your turn to read. Good reading. Now let's review what we read. Use the words on the page to answer the questions. Remember the word I. Read this. What does it say? It says I mix. Read this page. It says I need help. What does it say? It says I eat the cake. Excellent. You've just earned a sticker. Remember the special word in green in this story. It's I. Let's play a game. I will show some words and you have to find the word I. Like this. Find the word I. I. One more time. Find I. Here it is. Thanks for reading with me. Let's read again soon. Subscribe to practice your reading.